Komorebi, the poetic name given to the house, comes from Japanese and means light filtered through the leaves of the trees. In a remote area behind a small village in the Naab Valley, the black cube rests quietly at the edge of the forest. Set within a vast natural landscape, defined by its river and wooded hills, the structure adopts a dark color palette and low profile, allowing it to yield to everything nature has created around it. Wood, the primary material in this house, is present both on the facade and throughout the interior. On the outside, charred Japanese cedar boards were used, made resistant to water, fire, sun, and insects through the carbonization process. Inside, light spruce dominates, appearing as solid elements on the walls and ceiling. Complemented by limestone flooring, clay, and linen, the result is an interesting contrast between hard and soft surfaces. Measuring 19 meters in length, the living spaces are arranged side by side. The main entrance and utility areas serve as a divider between the bedroom and bathroom to the east, and the social areas to the west. A solid clay wall takes a central position in the living room. The Naab Valley, or Naabtal, in German is formed by the Naab River, which runs through the Bavarian region in southern Germany. The river is a tributary of the Danube and passes through a predominantly rural area with forests, hills, and picturesque villages. This valley is known for its preserved natural landscapes, ideal for hiking, cycling, and architecture in harmony with nature, like Komorebi House, located in an elevated and peaceful corner of the setting. All rooms face south, capturing the broad view and sunlight. Inside, spaces are defined not only by walls, but also by floor-to-ceiling built-in cabinets. This creates a minimal and quiet living atmosphere that constantly keeps the focus on the surrounding nature. Winter heating is provided by both sunlight entering through the large south-facing openings and a massive clay wall built with 18 tons of raw earth at the center of the living room. A wood-burning steel insert with openings on both sides distributes the heat. Due to its high thermal mass, the wall stores and gradually releases heat into the space. This ecological energy concept is complemented by a photovoltaic system installed on the home's green roof. The outer walls are made up of 18 centimeters of solid spruce and 24 centimeters of wood fiber insulation. The base slab and flat roof are also constructed with solid spruce. Rainwater collected from the roof is stored in a tank and reused for garden irrigation.